Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'll be showing you where exactly you need to check all the channels that is available on your Dstv decoder. I mean all the Dstv channels, not the channel that will be on your package. So you pick up your remote and you press on the blue button on it, which is the Dstv logo. You can press on the TV guide, which is a shortcut to that page, but for you to pass through all the menus that you can get access to it, for you to reach all the channels on your Dstv decoder, you press on the blue logo, which will take you to the Dstv menu, and here use the arrow right key or left key and then move it to the planner over here, and then you move it down to the TV guide. You press OK on it and you come down to the last option, which is all channels over here. If you want a channel that is on your package to, you select the first option, which is my Dstv channels, which will sort out the channels that are supposed to be working on your package alone. So you come to all Dstv channels over here, and this will display exactly every channel that is on the Dstv decoder. So that's it. And in case you want to use a shortcut, you press on the back, go to the exit, you press on the TV button on your remote, and then press on the grid mode, which is the arrow right key. So you press on the TV plus the arrow right key, and it's going to display all the channels that is on your Dstv decoder. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.